Good afternoon, dear tutor and classmates. I'm Eliana. For this collaborative activity, I choose lesson 4. I want to start with the following question. How and why we understand the word dog, bulldog, and beagle refers to the same concept. However, the same words and sounds isn't used in other language. This variation shows that words and sounds are symbolic, is intrinsic, isn't intrinsic. Sorry. Also, it's is important to have in account. We don't use the same phonetic sounds in each language. For example, the noise made by a chords noise. For example, in Spanish, the sound is the sounds of the chords horn. In Spanish, beep beep. In Mandarin, baba. In French, toot toot. In Japanese, poo poo. In Portuguese, font. But in English, beep beep. So the previous example is a clear example that each language has its own sounds and words. For example, but okay, now I want I want to talk about the theory. So, theory of theory language. So, argue we communicate. We use two aspects of a linguistic things. For example, we have the following example. This diagram showing two facets of a linguistic things. For example, signifier meaning symbolic, but signify meaning concept. For example, signifier is the strength of a word, of a sounds that we use for saying the word tree. But signifying is a model mental that we have of the concept tree. Okay. For in this activity or in this lesson, I learned the difference between in other language. Thank you. Bye bye.